Hello, welcome to Curry Kitchen. Today I am going to show you guys how to make Sandeko MoMo. So from the steam MoMo we're gonna marinate and I'm going to show you. Let's test it how it is. Tastes so good. Very nice. And let's start it. Alright, we are cutting some green chilies. We have some cilantro and sliced onion also. We are cutting some garlic, juliennes, or you can chop it. Either we have some ginger, we're gonna make fine julienne nicely cut here, and we have some homemade chili paste, and we're gonna cut some tomato also. Here's go this homemade chili paste, and also we're gonna put some momo chutney, so roasted tomato and sesame seed. Alright, all the ingredients we're gonna put in the bowl nicely in here, then add some oil and some methi seed and some chilies, dry chilies, and temper that the marination in here. You can use any oil you want it. I use the mustard oil, mix nicely. Then we're gonna add some steam momo ready. We can put it, mix it nicely and gently. Some lemon juice, of course, and if you want you can add peanuts or anything on top, but I'm not putting anything here, just as it is. Looks delicious. We're gonna plate it and put nicely chopped cilantro on top if you like it, and it's ready.